Check out the light in this dazzling 3-bedroom apartment in Prime Hell's Kitchen. I am starting out in this living room with just wonderful western exposure. And so many views, so much open sky, tons of light. Okay, here's a look at this very large living room. Easily put a great table, sofa, everything. Okay, let's dip on over into the wide open kitchen. You could add your own breakfast bar here. There's plenty of space for a group to cook. Lots of cabinets. There is a dishwasher. And even the kitchen has a window. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this bedroom number 1. This is a very large bedroom. It will easily fit a king bed. There's the most perfect, by the way, now we are facing south from this room. Okay, there is the most perfect spot to put a desk if you are working at home. There is a closet. And this just flows so well into the living area. Okay, this is a very spread out apartment. There is lots of privacy. There is a good sized coat closet for sporting goods or extra groceries or things like that. Here's bedroom number 2. This is also a very large bedroom. Could put a king in here, easily fits a queen and a desk, no problem. Again, lots of sunshine. Looking northwest here. Beautiful day. I was here yesterday actually, and it was rainy and the apartment was still bright, even in the rain. And again, you do have a closet here. Okay, we're gonna head on further down the hall. Again, lots of space here. Good recessed lighting. This is the 3rd bedroom. It is a little bit smaller, but still easily fits a queen. Nice big window. Northwest view. There's a closet. Okay, so where is the bathroom? You're wondering, Suzanne. The bathroom is really separated from most of the apartment, so it's good for privacy. Here is the bathroom. It has a window. It has lots of light. It has a tub. And there is a medicine cabinet. So I'm just gonna finish it up. There's the front door. So you get a sense of just how big this apartment is. And here we go. Back into this absolutely dazzling living room.